And even though you can't really tell, I mean, of course it's on the bumper. The price you pay for, you know, getting some shiny headlights after I just painted and cleaned everything. I gotta clean it again. But I think that was worth it. If you saw the before video, like I said, it looked like I had yellow tinted eyelids on there and I didn't. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, for just getting some exercise and having, you know, to catch up with these cars, because I'll be damned if I'm gonna go work a 9 to 5 again, unless my cars are tip top. And I'd much rather be driving my Legend, because the Civic, I definitely need to clean it and do, you know, better maintenance things for it. And as much as I want to paint the valve cover and repaint the intake manifold, but the Civic's gonna get parked, I will be driving the Legend.